Open google.com and search for the word talent. Click on the first link in the search results. Then click on the download links in the main menu at the top. In this page, you'll find all the talent products. So go to the free talent product section here and click on the data integration product. You'll see a download free tool green button over there. Just click on that. You'll go to the next page, which will be having again a button with the label download free tool. Again, click on that button to start the download. So now the download has started, and you can also download the Talend user guide by giving your email ID if you want to. So now we'll wait for it to get downloaded. It will take some time. Let's see. So now as you see, it has already got downloaded, right? So we can find it in I have it in my downloads folder. Now from downloads folder, I'll copy it to my talent training folder, and so I'll copy it from here. I'll copy it and paste it to the talent training folder here. It will again take a few more seconds. It's done now. Then we'll try to unzip it with the WinZip software. Meanwhile, I'm thinking to set up my Java also till the time it is getting unzipped, because Talend is a Java based tool, so it will require Java to get launched once it gets unzipped. So here I have my JRE 1.8, and let me check. We're using Java versions. Oh, I think unzipping is having some problem, and it's saying that would you like to keep the partial file. So don't go by the error. Actually, this error comes when WinZip has a problem unzipping files with longer names. So I'll work on. I will resolve it after Java gets set up. Okay, leave that. Okay, no. So yeah. So we were setting Java, right? Yeah. So let me check Java versions. And here we go. So we have 1.8 Java. Now what I'll do is I'll set up my JRE in environment variables. Okay, so we'll go to my computer properties and environment variables. Here we will first go for here we will set our Java path and Java home. So first let's set Java home. Okay, and Java home and Java home is equals to your JRE path. So wherever your JRE folder resides till complete JRE, you have your Java home. Now you have to write your JDK home, and JDK home is also JRE home. So once that is done, then we will proceed further for unzipping the talent zip file rather. So yeah, so now what I'll do, I'll unzip it using another software called 7-zip. It doesn't uh, create any problem when unzipping files with longer names. So let's do that. And 7-zip, unzip it. So now it should be done. It will also take some more minutes. Just wait. And once it gets unzipped, then we would be pretty much good to go, because Talend is not an installation based software. What it does is once it gets unzipped, we can keep it here or we can place it to our convenient location, and from there we can just create launch it using the application file. So just wait for some more minutes and I'll show you that. Mm, almost done. Good. So now it has got copied. No, sorry, it got unzipped. So let's see. We can find it at the top, right? So yeah, so we have it here. We have everything inside this folder, right? The unzipped folder. Here you have, so the same copy can work for Mac, the same Linux or Windows. For Windows, we have 64 and 80 and 32-bit files. So x86 you can use if you are using Windows 32. x86 underscore 64 you can use when you are using 64-bit operating system, and you can use GTK 86 or maybe GTK 86 sh file for Linux, and for Mac you can use I think Mac OS Cocoa.ini I think. So just you have to just copy and launch it from these files. Nothing big is there. Let's copy it and paste it into C drive. I've pasted it here already. We'll just create one shortcut of it and paste it on the desktop, and we will launch our Talend software for Windows using this shortcut only. Let me just You can rename this shortcut with Talend Open Studio or whatever name you want to. Now you can launch your Talend from this shortcut. Yeah, so while launching, it'll ask for the workspace. So workspace is nothing but the location where your all code and the projects will get stored. And yeah, so after getting launched, this is how it looks basically, and you have one sample job already created. So now I'll close this. Okay, I think we are done. Thank you for watching this video.